Forever was a word empty and cold. Just letters, no story, no gold. The concept too vast to comprehend, till your palm met mine, and then your fingers laced a timeless lock. Eternity in that simple shock. The past, present, future merged as one. When your hand held my own, I didn't